Attention all flight crew members, on countdown 1 is the final go-no-go poll for today's operations. RC.
Go.
Ground stations.
Go.
Flight software 1.
Go.
Raptor 1.
Go.
Raptor 2.
Go.
Stage 1.
Go.
Flight directors go as well. T-minus 1 minute.
Minus 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Vehicle is pitching downrange. Booster Raptor chamber pressure is nominal.
Seconds into flight, 33 out of 33 Raptor engines lit on the super heavy booster arcing away from us here at Starbase. And the booster now doing its boostback burn. It looks like we lit all 33 initially. Now we're down to 13. We're seeing 6 out of 6 Raptors lit on the ship. And boost back burn shut down. So it looks like we were able to get through the boost back burn this time around. Sounds like we just got the sonic boom.
I have a feeling the crowd's about to go wild here.
Really cool to make it all the way back this time to that landing burn. We'll dig in, figure out how to turn on all those engines. And engine shut down. Starship 6 Raptor engines have successfully shut down.
Nominal orbit insertion.
And there you go. You can see our first Starlink V3 getting deployed out of Starship. Huge milestone for the team out here. Still a lot of major events to come today.
Relight demo started.
Relight there on your screen.
Wow.
And confirmation over the net. Relight shutdown. The burn has ended.
Down to 2. Starship descending into the Indian Ocean. Down to 1. And we're in the water. And it's a soft splashdown in the water. That is a first.